This 2018 Chevrolet Malibu is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LS1, 5L Turbo 4-cylinder engine. Auto Gallery Chicago. Keyless entry, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, black exterior, black interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2018 Chevrolet Malibu is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and ample pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.